doing X cars today?
This is our job.
Yeah, all the time. Yeah, I always see you guys come to Hornsby. There's a certain set crew that does.
Steering wheel.
No steering wheel.
Yeah, no.
You see out the front, Andy? Going into change sheets. That's nice.
Do you mind if the kids come in? Alright. Just go right at the front.
Can I just come in and stand down?
The lights are red. That means we have to stop just like it's normal traffic light. See that train all the way over there? That's coming towards us, that's why we can't go there. We've got to let that train go past.
Wait for me to ground. Thanks, Mike. That's great.
Does all the sponsorships.
Oh, good on you. Was that you that waved us in when we were coming into the yard?
Yeah, no, it wouldn't have been me. I was up on the platform there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's right, yeah.
Yeah.
This old.
This is the older trucks.
Hello, Andrews. Got enough room?
And that's all there is to it. We can go and have a look on the newer track. Oh, so this was in the 1950s.
You'll be on YouTube.
Okay. Come on in.
Big step, buddy.
Look, yeah, watch your head there. Watch your head.
Keep going.
Hunters or endeavours, I think. Yeah.
We'll go there and have a look at the next week too.
This one's like the driver's cab and then the passenger's cabin. These are actually easier to shunt than the electric ones.
Are they? You have to wave. Not too many things can go wrong, I suppose. So you guys shunt these too, eh?
Yeah.
They're all these trains.
Yep.
What about XP2s? They any good?
Not XP2s. The only time we do, they store cars here.
Yep.
And when they come and pick them up every 3 months or something,
Okay.
they bring engines in.
What are you going to remarshal the rest?
Yeah. Well, they drop about 5 or 6 cars.
Yep.
And people just sit in here. Yeah. Actually, they go on their country link trip with this one. This is a current train. So it goes to Canberra, goes up
Wow.
to Brisbane way. And down the other end's got, it's like this cab, it's got the driver's cab down this end as well. Yeah.
Are these the same as the Hunter cars?
Yeah. This one was up at the Hunter, the Jelly Bean set. It was up there.
Yeah.
The 1s and 2s, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. That's what his brother drives.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Sorry, I'll just go with the kids.
Endeavours and hunters and whatever.
Yeah, what do you want to do then?
You know, go up the other end and get out there. Yeah.
Well, longer than the other one.
But the city ones, no toilets.
Oh, okay.
And these ones have got baby change tables in
They
them,
do.
haven't they?
You've checked that one out as well.
No,
That's
I
me.
know.
That's my first thing.
How do we get out? Same way.
That's if we can get out.
That's what I mean. Oh yeah, there's a guy up here.
Yeah, right.
There's another cab.
Nice and clean.
Yeah. Access.
Yeah.
Can we go out?
Yeah, you'll be able to.
Yep. There we go.
There you go. Welcome aboard.
Alright.
Nobody always goes. Which one's worse than when you go?
Long bloody step up into them again. We can hear them.
Good.
train. Like the old train.
Yeah.
I couldn't go here.
That's it, Wayne, Mummy will help you down, alright?
What?
Not onto the rail, and hold Mum's hand. Yeah, Mum will help you down. Santa Claus. A couple of meters short, Jess. See Santa. Santa Claus is very cold. Right? Want to start the back right? You got me square bit? Another yard?
There he is, driving the train.
Santa Claus. Merry Christmas. I'm here. How are you all? Hey kids, how are you? They're lovely for you to come and see me. I didn't bring the sleigh this time. I thought I'd bring the old red rattler out for a visit. I left my reindeers down there at Flemington. They're having a feed and a drink now. They're waiting for me when I take her home. So how are we all? Where will we go? I believe I've got a groom that I'll come and get some photo with you all. Merry Christmas! We can all have a go when you come up and see me. How that sound? You all going to come and get your photo with me? Beautiful. I might have a little gift for you all too.
You want to go?
Do you want to go home?
Or whatever you want to do. You're allowed to go through that.
I'd say so. We'll just have to wait. That's what they say.